Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, I think I want to do a vlog style. We have a great day planned. We're going into the city for brunch, looking around, shopping around. We're going for cocktails at night. So I figured, come along with me. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You can ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support, and thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okie dokies. Of course, I'm in a rush per usual, but yes, we have a whole day planned in the city. I live in New Jersey. In the city means New York City. So I figured I will take you along. It is a balmy 35 degrees out today. Happy spring. So back into the winter clothes. But I figured, let's do this together. I sort of kind of did my hair, whatever. I have all my moisturizer on. I have the POV products on, everything except for the gripping primer because I don't like that grippy feeling. But anyway, yeah, so the plan is this. We're going into the city for brunch with my sister. Actually, my daughter lives in the city and they have never seen her apartment. So we're going to have brunch, see her apartment, walk around. And I figured, girl, we're in the city. We can't not have dinner in the city while we're there. So we're just going to putz around and then go out tonight for some cocktails and like a light dinner. But anyway, some of this is going to be a voiceover because, you know, I'm in a rush. Let's do the eyes first. In the daytime, we're going in with sneakers, you know, pretty casual. And then at night, it's a little bit dressier. So I wanted to use the Makeup by Mario. This is his Ethereal Eyes Nature because I was thinking about this color right over here. Why? I don't know. So we're going to do a quick eye makeup, nothing crazy. Brush is clean? No, but that's okay, girl. They were. Let's see. I'm going in, you know, girl, light, dark, you know, the usual. So that's what we're going to be doing. I don't know where you guys live. Leave me some comments below. Have you guys ever been to New York City? Do you like it? Do you don't like it? I used to love it. Oh God, as a teenager, we would go every weekend. I think we were, well, I don't want to say I think we were still in high school. We used to go clubbing, you know, back in the day with our fake IDs. You know what it was back in the day? It's not like we wanted to like drink or do drugs or like, you know, meet guys. We just wanted to dance. Like back, those were the good old days, girl. Perfect. Just going in with a darker shade in the middle, in my crease. You know, I have hooded eyes. But anyway, yeah, we just wanted to dance. We had so much fun. And then we had a dear friend of ours. His parents lived in Battery Park City. So like his room, I don't know, that must have been like an extra king room, a king size bed, because it would be the three of us, me, him, and my best friend, sleep in the same bed. It was enormous. But I remember out his window, you could see the Statue of Liberty. It was so beautiful. Changing my brush. But anyway, so that's what we're going to be doing today. And I want you to come along. Do your eyes first because you can make a doggone mess. These are the Lumify eye drops. They work instantly and they last up to 8 hours. Makes your eyes so bright. Okay, so we definitely have to lock this in. I'm going with the L'Oreal Infallible. Let me just step back. Here's my little boyfriend on my sweater. I don't want to touch it. Hold your breath. Okay, so it's about 9:45 right now. Let me get dressed. I'll show you my OOTD and let's get going. I think I'm going to change my lip out. I think it's too much. It's too busy on the lids and then it's too busy on the lips. So I think I'm going to switch this out. This eye color is a little bit darker than I would have liked for a date. But like I said, I have to have it last all day and then all night. P.S. This is the Revi Beauty lip liners. They don't come off. They are so good. But I am going to go in with the Revi lip liner. This one is in almond. I wanted more of a neutral look. For some reason, these eyes look so stinking dark. But anywho, let me just lighten this up on the ends. I have to sharpen this. So I'm going to go in with almond. Yeah, that's better. More muted. Somebody's snoring. gonna miss you today, Bachelou. And then, unfortunately, this was a limited edition for the holidays. This is the YSL, the YSL Love Shine Candy Glaze, but this was one of the holiday colors. It's just a nice neutral color. It's got a little bit of shimmer in it. Ooh, look at that. So, just a tiny bit, just to give me a little bit of shine, because I'm really gonna have the lip liner be the focal point. Yeah, like that one better. I need to tone down those lids though. I'm gonna just take a clean brush and I'm gonna just blend this in and just keep on blending until I am happy. I think it's like right over here. It's just too much. Okay, that's a little bit better. Okay. Okay, so this is the OOTD of the day for brunch. I'm gonna wear my sneakers in. These little things, this is a cute like little bib, if you will. It's just like, it's not a shirt, but it gives you the illusion of a cute little shirt. Isn't that like so cute? So I'm gonna wear this in. And tonight I'm gonna change into the booties. Maybe I should bring a jacket. No, I think that's okay. Anyway, so this is the OOTD of the day. Look how stunning and beautifully clear the sky is. This is Jean Georges' first restaurant. It's so good. All the plates are mismatched, but this one in particular, my mom used to have this set, and it was so nice and nostalgic because we lost our mom almost 3 years ago. So, I don't know, I felt like she was with us. Somehow we ended up in Bloomingdale's in the beauty section. How appropriate, right? My sister was looking for a red lip, and her usual MAC came through with Cat. She was amazing. We ended up at the Ritz-Carlton in downtown Manhattan. We started off with cocktails. That's me. And remember in the beginning when I said a light dinner? Yeah, it was a full dinner. It was so delicious, so innovative. It was gorgeous. They also have a rooftop bar located on the 50th floor. Now, I'm not one to be afraid of heights, but I will tell you, as soon as I got off the elevator, my stomach went bloop. It is so beautiful. I have never seen the skylight so gorgeous. Of course, crisp, clear night. It was so beautiful. Highly, highly recommend the rooftop bar. It was so beautiful. Look at this view. And that's it, guys. That's my day and my night. Thank you for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great, great day. Bye.